Don, have you heard of the size acceptance movement?
I have not.
Do you feel like it's unhealthy, though, to be overweight? Do you feel like people can be healthy at any size? Do you feel like it's more of a genetics factor or lifestyle and behaviors? If a friend or loved one suddenly gains 50 pounds, is that cause for concern? Hey, I'm Andrew Hales. What's up, my bitch-ass goats? Today we're in Nashville. We're going to go on Broadway and ask people about the size acceptance movement. Please castrate and marry that like button. Hey guys, real quick, this video is brought to you by ExpressVPN. Using the internet without ExpressVPN is like taking a call on an airplane and having it on speaker for everyone to hear. Don't let your personal business become everyone else's business. I personally love using ExpressVPN when I'm at a public cafe or the airport. Did you know thousands of people use airport Wi-Fi? Any one of them with super basic computer knowledge can easily see what you're doing and steal your info like credit cards, passwords, etc. ExpressVPN encrypts 100% of your traffic so that no one can see what they're doing. They use such strong encryption it would take a hacker with a supercomputer billions of years to crack. It's very easy to use. You simply download the software onto your device and you click connect, and now all my traffic is protected and I can browse the web with privacy. Go to expressvpn.com/LAHWF and you can get an extra 3 months of ExpressVPN for free. Thank you. Here's the video. Have you heard of this size acceptance movement?
No.
It's kind of like this, it's like heavy people kind of trying to they're trying to spread the notion that it's okay and we should accept them with the size that they are. You think that's a good idea?
I mean, body doesn't even matter. It's all about the personality of other people. It should have never mattered. It shouldn't ever be a problem how big or how small you are. So I think that's a great idea.
All right. Do you feel like it's unhealthy, though, to be overweight?
I don't think it always is. It might be sometimes, but being overweight is not always unhealthy because you can't live a healthy life and still be a little bit bigger. And it doesn't always mean that you're unhealthy.
All right. So you feel like it's more... when someone's overweight, it's more of their genetics and not their lifestyle or behavior?
Yeah, exactly.
Spreading the notion that you can be healthy at any size. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, I'm sure you can.
Okay. Do you feel like you had a loved one or a family member, if they gained like 100 pounds, would you say anything about it?
I would probably say something, but most people, it's up to them. What body size, what body shape they're going to be, is a lot of it's genetic, and it's up to them how they want to live their life. So. I gotta run. I just got a text.
No worries. Thank you. All right. No, you're good. You're good. They're saying you can be healthy at any size. Do you feel like that's valid?
Probably not at any size, but I'd probably think at a lot of different sizes. Yeah.
All right. Do you feel like when someone's overweight, it's more of their genetics or their lifestyle and behavior?
I think it's probably like a mixture of both.
If a friend or loved one suddenly gains 50 pounds or 100 pounds, is that cause for concern?
Not necessarily. Okay. I don't think so.
All right, yeah, that's about it. I appreciate it. Jamar, do you feel like people can be healthy at any size?
Nope. Not healthy at no size, bro. You gotta be I'm gonna say you gotta balance yourself, bro. You can't eat too much of nothing. You gotta be in the middle. You gotta balance. You gotta be balanced.
Moderation. Do you feel like it's more of a genetics factor or lifestyle and behavior?
Both genetics and lifestyle. You know, you gotta. We was brought up like how our parents was brought up, and some of that shit was wrong, bro. So I believe we gotta break the cycle. You know, gotta break the cycle.
Do you have a personal example of that? Like your parents were overweight?
Yeah, I mean they weren't overweight, but it's not about the food. It's about all that, bro. It's your mental, physical, spiritual, all that, bro. It comes in hand with everything. It's not about just the diet. It's your mental too, bro. Your mental, all that. You are what you eat. You know, if you put a lot of junk in your food, in your body, then that's what you're gonna be, bro. You are what you eat.
Yeah, you're saying food is a big factor about mental health as well.
Yes, sir. Food, yo.
All right.
Food is
If one of your friends or a loved one gained 50 or 100 pounds, how would you word it to them, or how would you tell them that you're concerned?
If they was 50?
If they were suddenly overweight,
I mean, I wouldn't try to force nothing on them. I wouldn't try to force it, but I just try to give my opinion, you know, to try to make the right choices, eat better. Health is wealth, bro. Health
Right.
is wealth. You know, how can you enjoy your wealth if you're not healthy?
No doubt. Alex, do you feel like people can be healthy at any size?
I do.
Do you feel like it's more of a genetics factor or lifestyle and behaviors?
I feel it's a lot genetics, but I feel like it's a little bit of both.
All right. Do you have a boyfriend?
I have a husband.
If he gained like 50 or 100 pounds suddenly, would that be a cause of concern?
No, but I mean, I wouldn't be shy in saying something like.
How would you word
health-wise.
it?
It'd be like, hey, I've just kind of noticed that we've gained a lot of weight, but like if you're comfortable with who you are, it's fine. But health-wise, I want you to be around for a long time too. So.
All right. Yeah, that's about it. I appreciate
Yes.
it. Yeah.
You're
All right.
welcome.
Thank you. Do you feel like people can be healthy at any size?
No.
Do you feel like it's more of a genetics or a lifestyle and behavior factor for people that are overweight?
I think if you move around and you're short of breath and can't do normal functions, you're overweight.
I guess if you have a friend or a loved one that's overweight, do you feel like would that be a cause of concern?
Absolutely.
How would you word it to them?
That they need to maybe check their diet and exercise.
All right. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Healthy at any size?
Yeah.
I agree with that to an extent.
If someone is overweight, do you feel like it's more of a genetics factor or a lifestyle and behavior?
Definitely lifestyle and behavior.
If you have like a loved one or a friend that's overweight, is that a cause for concern?
It is, yes, definitely.
How would you word it to them? Or would you?
Yeah, I would just let them know they have to take care of themselves. You know, you want your loved ones to be around as long as possible. So, for sure.
Cool. Yeah, that's about it.
All right, take that. Yeah, man.
Paul, do you feel like people can be healthy at any size?
To a certain extent. I mean, if you're 800 pounds, you're probably not going to be healthy at all. But
All right. Do you feel like overweight people is more of a genetics factor or lifestyle and behavior?
from what I've seen, it's more of a lifestyle and behavior.
In general, yeah.
In general, yeah.
What? So if you guys are dating, this is your girlfriend?
This is my wife of
Oh, your
13
wife.
years.
Very nice. I guess if she suddenly gained 100 pounds out of nowhere, how would that be a voice for or cause for concern?
Yes, because I want her to be healthy because I love her and I want the best for her.
All right. How would you voice that to her? If she, I mean,
How would I voice that?
theoretically, if she was
How
like
should
very
I?
overweight, I don't know.
Just say that I love you and I'm really concerned and I want to make sure you're around because I love being with you.
All right. That's about it. I appreciate it. Yeah, come on. Okay. You feel like people can be healthy? You feel like people can be healthy? Do you feel like people can be healthy at any size?
Every time. It's good people here. It's a people appreciate
like
here.
even big overweight people?
Yeah, big, it's good people here, living people here, good people. 15 years, I'm living,
Wait,
it's a
wait,
15,
hold on,
15 years
Hold on, one
living
person
here.
at a time.
Even though you have a child, all you do, you can exercise. You can exercise, you can be good, it's still good. Fat and still good.
It's a good
Okay,
people.
right, yeah. So like even big people, they can exercise and still be...
Yeah,
right.
running every day, do
Right.
exercise. Yeah, running,
Right.
working good, you know what I mean?
Right. You feel like being overweight is more of a genetics or lifestyle and behavior factor?
Ooh, leave it alone. Yeah, I think, you know what? The city need to change something what's going on about the economy. You know what I mean? The economy need to change. That's a little bit more. This is what the city local need to change.
Change what?
The economy, more jobs, more money.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is what the real business right now need to be in this city. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know, but we're talking about the size acceptance movement. Do you feel like people that are overweight, it's because of their lifestyle or because
It's a real lifestyle.
or is it because of their genetics?
No, it's a real life every second, every time.
Some people are born, like my daughters. I got 2 daughters. They were born over 8 pounds. And they're in good shape.
Okay.
They are not fat, they just large.
Okay.
The life.
Now,
And so you do feel like it's more genetics.
genetics.
Yeah.
My grandma was a big woman.
the real life every day. This is the that we can live, we can eat, we can.
I don't know if you know what we're talking about.
You know what? I know what I'm talking about my life. You know what I mean? I'm talking about what if we can
You're
live
like
every
on another
day.
planet right now.
I'm the man. You know what I mean?
All right,
You know what I mean?
we gotta get going. I appreciate
All
it.
right, homie.
Thank you. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you think of the size acceptance movement, and if you feel like anyone can be healthy at any size, whether you feel like genetics or lifestyle and behavior plays a factor, more or less. How would you voice concern to a friend or family member that's overweight? I mean, I'm overweight, and I personally feel like I'm definitely happier and feel healthier when I'm about 20 or 30 pounds less than I am right now. And I feel like just having the extra weight is unhealthy for me. So I mean, but some people are big boned and they're just naturally bigger. I don't know. So it kind of depends on each person individually. Thank you for watching. LAHWF.com.